AutoCAD commands 1. Edit commands in AutoCAD. AutoCAD provides various editing commands to modify existing objects and entities in your drawing. Here are some of the most commonly used edit commands in AutoCAD. 1. Move command. The move command is used to move one or more objects from one location to another in your drawing. To use the move command, follow these steps. 1. Select the objects you want to move by clicking on them. 2. Type move in the command line. Specify the base point from which you want to move the objects by clicking or typing coordinates. 3. Specify the second point that defines the new location of the objects by clicking or typing coordinates. 4. Press Enter or space to complete the command. 2. Copy command. The copy command is used to create a copy of one or more selected objects and place them in a new location in your drawing. To use the copy command, follow these steps. Type copy in the command line. Select the objects you want to copy by clicking on them. 3. Specify the base point from which you want to copy the objects by clicking or typing coordinates. 4. Specify the second point that defines the new location of the copied objects by clicking or typing coordinates. 5. Press Enter or space to complete the command. 3. Rotate command. The rotate command is used to rotate one or more selected objects by a specified angle. To use the rotate command, follow these steps. 1. Rotate in the command line. 2. Select the objects you want to rotate by clicking on them. 3. Specify the base point around which you want to rotate the objects by clicking or typing coordinates. 4. Specify the angle of rotation by clicking or typing the value. 5. Press Enter or space to complete the command. 4. Scale command. The scale command is used to resize one or more selected objects by a specified scale factor. To use the scale command, follow these steps. 1. Type scale in the command line. 2. Select the objects you want to scale by clicking on them. 3. Specify the base point around which you want to scale the objects by clicking or typing coordinates. 4. Press Enter or space to complete the command. 5. Trim command. The trim command is used to remove parts of selected objects that are outside the boundary of other objects. To use the trim command, follow these steps. 1. Type trim in the command line. Select the objects you want to trim by clicking on them. 2. Specify the cutting edge that defines the boundary of the objects you want to keep by clicking or typing coordinates. 3. Press Enter or space to complete the command. 6. Extend command. The extend command is used to extend selected objects to meet the boundary of other objects. To use the extend command, follow these steps. 1. Type extend in the command line. 2. Select the objects you want to extend by clicking on them. 3. Specify the boundary that defines the extension of the objects by clicking or typing coordinates. 4. Press Enter or space to complete the command. These are just a few of the many editing commands available in AutoCAD. By mastering these basic commands, you can modify and manipulate objects in your drawing with precision and efficiency. https://www.najdab.com. Useful video resources. AutoCAD for Beginners, full university course. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=vulku1 Pru source CAD 1. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=CMR9 Crew 2. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=G_JKTV3PLP03. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=37S-2WZ2R0Q. Thanks for watching.